version there. What key is this in?
It's in D. No.
No, I don't think so. Try again.
G major.
It's in G major, okay? You can also tell by looking at the last note.
Oh.
Well, most of these things are going to end on the note of the key. They very seldom end on a note other than the tonic. Okay, so obviously there's only one sharp, okay, which is not C sharp. You keep trying to play C sharp, it doesn't sound right. Okay, so remember what we talked about before. When you're playing in C major, it's always 3 on the C string and 2 on the A and the D. Okay? G major is going to be 3 here, extended here, and then 2 on the A string. So that means that when you play in second position with the 2 on the D, it's going to be just like the piece you were just playing two pieces ago. Okay? Good. So now a couple things. As you play here, I'd like you to get a better sound. It's kind of a little anemic. Do you know what anemic means? Wimpy. So, and this should be very smooth. So, as very cantabile. I left my glasses. We played out at Red Rocks last night, and I have a trunk, and so I was thinking I got to make a quick getaway. So it was cold and windy and music blowing everywhere, and so when I left, I stuck my glasses in my pocket. And I got back to the train. I thought, well, I'll just go take this off. It's going to be too hot when I get there. So I took it off. Of course, the glasses are in, so I can't see anything today. I have to guess at some of the notes. That's why it looks like I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So now, when you get to here, very, very cantabile, okay? And these, the same idea. I don't want you to, just in the other piece, you would be playing like that. But this is, don't let the weight up. Get the idea? So, you need to go over this again and be very careful. They're very, very distinct about where the second position is, but again, it's the same second position as before with the whole step 2 to 1, okay? This is quieter. So do for me just this last bit starting right here. Here. They're all slowly. Okay, that's all I want you to do. Do those 4 again. Can you make sure that you change strings with the elbows? You're just kind of, so really keep the weight and intensity of the sound. They're all one da. Good. And then last but not least, just like we were talking about before, you have to anticipate slightly. So as I play this, I see the hand go around it. And as I get to this one, the elbow's moving up. You watch the elbow, okay? So the elbow is going to lead the contour of the shape of the hand, okay? So it anticipates the string crossing. And when you play this, I want you to use as if you were on one string. You gotta let the bow up in between the bow chain. But if you let the bow do the string crossing for you and keep that coordination and let the elbow anticipate the string crossing, then it'll come out really, really smooth. Okay? Good. So why don't you perfect the one before this, and just make sure you have this memorized correctly and that all the notes are right and the rhythms are correct. Okay? One spot in here you kind of, did what you did before and you kind of messed up I think it was right in this bar here. He was like twice too slow. Okay, if you want to, you can check this one out. The difference being is, I think there's we got some accidentals here, all right, and then the extension. Okay, it's sort of an extension. Well, so it's going to be in the same spot as this one over here, except on the D string. So it should feel the same way. Except you get to use your third finger. So. Now notice these have dashes and not dots, so they're going to be separated but smoothly. Instead of. Oh, sorry. Okay, so it's not very, very difficult, but again, be very lyrical, very, very smooth with the bow, okay, and keep the weight consistent, okay. More bow as the crescendo happens, a little more weight, but in general, it's stuck gluey to the string, all right. And then I think the next one is the witch's dance, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so why don't you hold off on witch's dance? We'll go over that next time, okay? So get all these squared away and we'll be in good shape. And let's take a look at your etude. I don't remember where you were. Go ahead. An uncooperative book.